You done?
I'm done. Can you pop the window down for me?
That's as far as I know.
Okay. I'm Officer Fenton Lake Stevens, police audio video recorded. The reason I stopped you is your tabs are expired. 2024. Any reason they're so far expired?
No, sir, I'm gonna videotape this for my safety.
Great. I am too. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance, please. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance, please. This is a lawful stop. You are required to identify yourself with all three documents. Traffic infraction, and now that's a lawful detention. Now you need to give me your driver's license, registration, and your insurance. Are you going to provide me with your driver's license, registration, and insurance?
I'm traveling, sir. I'm traveling.
Great. That's awesome. I need your driver's license, registration, and your insurance.
I'm not.
It is obstruction for you not to provide that information for me.
I'm not giving anything for
Didn't
Right
ask.
away, this stop takes a sharp turn. What started as a simple expired tag violation is quickly becoming a showdown over identification. If you've watched enough body cam footage, you already know where this is headed. The driver is relying on the classic, "I'm traveling, not driving" argument, while officers are making it clear they view this as a lawful traffic stop. The tension is building fast, and neither side looks ready to back down.
Didn't ask. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance. You need to identify yourself. Driver's license, registration, insurance. When my sergeant gets here, if you're not going to comply with that, we're going to break the window and pull you out of the car. We've got a traveler who doesn't want to give me any ID. And she's refusing to identify herself. So she doesn't need to. So she does. She's refusing to do so.
Car unlocked?
Nope.
Hi, ma'am. How are you? I'm Sergeant Heineman, so failing the ID is going to get you in jail.
I'm traveling, officer.
Okay. You're going to be traveling to jail if you don't identify yourself.
I'm not using much illegal. I'm not using it for commercial purpose.
Okay. So driving is a privilege, not a right, and you have to identify yourself. And you have to identify yourself, or you're going to end up in jail for failing to identify.
This is the moment where the entire encounter reaches a crossroads. The sergeant has now explained the consequences multiple times, and the driver still isn't complying. Whether you agree with the officers or not, repeated warnings like these often become important later because they show the subject was given several chances before force was considered. The big question now is simple. Will she cooperate, or is this about to get much more expensive than a traffic ticket?
Identify. Okay, it's a misdemeanor. So either we can break this pretty little window, or you can provide some sort of identification of my partner here.
You can also sue for breaking my window because I have not.
And you can claim to sue. You can try to sue, or I can break the window, we can pull you out and go to jail. The crime is failing to identify, like I just explained. It's a misdemeanor, and it's going to end up with you in jail if you don't do that. And so this is your last chance, or else we're going to go that route.
What is your reasonable proof that I committed?
Have you provided my partner with identification? No. So failing to identify is that RCW, and that's the misdemeanor. And I can give you a business card if you want, so you can start. Huh?
I love my business card, yes.
Okay, so hop out of the car, and we'll cross that bridge when you want it. But as of now, you're under arrest for failing to identify. I can't hear if you're thinking I'm listening to whoever's talking on the phone. Okay, so I can't hear him if you're...
And he was saying that I have not committed a crime. I know I have.
You have. Failing to identify is that crime.
And here comes the final warning. Notice how the officers keep repeating the same message over and over. That's not just for the driver. It's also for the body camera. Every warning, every explanation, and every opportunity to comply is being documented. At this point, the outcome is becoming predictable. The driver still believes she's in the right. The officers believe they have legal authority. And those two realities are about to collide.
If I'm not driving for a commercial purpose, I have traveled.
You're going to be traveling to jail. You're failing to identify. It's a misdemeanor. I provided you ample warnings to get out of the car and to cooperate, and you're not doing so. So if you're listening to your husband, he's giving you bad information.
What's your badge number, sir?
133. You just took down my whole name.
His badge number?
So you can tell your husband that I don't want to break your window.
Is your body cam recording?
It is. You see the red light there? That is recording. Yeah. Your husband's not here, and he's
Just
not...
like that, the situation completely changes. The debate is over, the arrest has happened, and now the focus shifts to procedure. It's interesting how quickly the tone changes once someone is in custody. Moments ago, there was a heated argument about rights and identification. Now the conversation is about personal belongings, transportation, and what happens next. A reminder that decisions made during the first few minutes of a stop can shape everything that follows.
Here, and he's not the reason why we're pulling you over. I'm gonna give you one last chance to cooperate, and if you don't, then the window's gonna get broken, and we're gonna end up taking you to jail. If he's talking to expect me to listen to him, I cannot hear him. Okay, so ma'am, I'm gonna explain to you one more time. If you do not cooperate, you're gonna end up going to jail for failing to identify.
Why not? I give you my identity.
Failing to identify yourself on a legal traffic stop is a misdemeanor crime. I'm gonna end up breaking your window, the car's gonna end up getting towed, you're gonna end up in jail. I need to give me identification. And you can go ahead and roll the window all the way down. You can go ahead and hang up the phone too, because you're an adult, you can handle this by yourself without your husband. You done?
I'm done.
Okay.
This part may seem routine, but it's actually one of the most important stages of any arrest. Searches, property collection, and documentation help ensure officer safety while also creating a clear record of what was found and what wasn't. It may not be as dramatic as the confrontation earlier, but these details often become crucial later in court. The paperwork phase of an arrest rarely goes viral, yet it where many cases are ultimately strengthened or challenged.
1914-1, resisting with code 4, negative on the end.
I'm at the Arco on 9. I-9. Where are you taking me, sir?
Jail.
Where? Which one?
We'll tell you in a second. You're the adult, we'll talk to you,
I would
you're
like
here.
my phone and my purse.
Do you give me permission to access your vehicle, get your phone and your purse?
I do give you
Didn't ask for that.
I would like my purse and my phone.
So this is
Steven.
why I'm talking to you, ma'am. If you give me permission to get these things for you, I will happily do so.
I give you permission to get my phone and my purse and backpack, please.
Say it one more time.
I give you permission to get my phone and my purse
Where's
and
your
backpack. It's on the
dash?
dashboard.
Okay.
Yep.
You can hang out here so you can watch what I'm doing for you, okay? Phone, I'm giving it to my partner, and what else? Gray bag, black bag?
That black bag, and then I have a green purse.
Black bag, green purse. Okay, is there anything valuable in this backpack? Because the jail might not take that,
Oh.
because it's too large.
Okay, just my green purse then. It's
Floorboard?
It might have fallen down. Yeah, it's kind of.
Can we go around to the other side so I don't have to climb over?
We'll walk
Can,
you
but
over
you
there.
might need to unlock.
It looks unlocked. Let's
All right.
walk you over there.
Okay.
This way.
Okay.
Now we reach the Miranda warning, the point where the legal side of the case becomes front and center. The emotions of the stop are fading, and procedure takes over. Looking back, it's remarkable how a traffic stop over expired tabs escalated into broken glass, an arrest, and multiple charges. The lesson here is that small encounters can snowball incredibly fast when neither side changes course. One decision often leads to the next, and the next, until there's no easy way back.
Look, you can put it on me. Okay, that's a little weird.
You have keys for this?
Actually, can you take it off? I can't have that.
Do you want it forward?
Yes, that's better.
Cool. Are there keys for this?
There are,
on the
but
roof.
Oh,
are
it is.
they?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm actually going to have my other partner search you. She's here. You mind doing a search for me? I appreciate you. This is Officer Van Cook. She's going to search you incident to arrest, okay?
Okay.
1914. Next rotational for a tow.
No. Yeah, I have a t-shirt on and a bra, and I have an EMF device around my neck. It looks kind of funny, but it helps with radiation. Oh, I was moving today. The moving belt.
Okay. Does it come off?
Yeah.
Take that off.
I don't think so.
All right, I'm gonna just take the hat off, make sure nothing in here. All right, back of my hand.
Can I have my belt back on, please?
I didn't take, the moving belt?
Yeah.
Once we get through with this. Okay, is it a regular bra or sports bra? Thick close.
Regular bra.
Okay, all right, so back of my hand. Okay, do you want it slide out of your way at all with the hat?
I like it kind of split in the back and coming forward in my hood. Like when I'm wearing a hood, does that make sense? Like kind of part it in the back and bring some hair forward on my right and hair forward on my left, and then I push my hood up. And then other side. And then kind of scrunch my hood up a little bit.
Okay.
$16 in cash.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Go right
Are
over
you
this way.
guys gonna take good care of my items?
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna have the car towed. Is that what you're asking?
No, I'm just on my
Of your purse?
Yeah.
Yeah, everything that can go with you is gonna go with you to the jail. And then they'll book it in there.
Yeah, they're tight, actually.
Are they?
They're way too tight. They're very tight.
Let me kind of see.
Yeah.
So I can get my whole finger through here, and that means that.
How about on this side? Because it's
Yep,
tighter on
same,
this side.
same. So
Okay.
maybe if you rotate your wrist, because they're an oval shape. Okay, so he'll be with you in just a second.
Alrighty, ma'am. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to speak to a lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions. Do you understand these rights if I explain them to you?
Yes.
Perfect. So, your wallet's going to go with us. Phone's going to go with us. The purse has a bunch of other random things in it that went back into the car. So I grabbed your priority items, and they're going to go with us to the jail, okay?
Can you,
And then-
since the window's broken, can you cover it up, my backpack and my stuff, so someone doesn't just get it?
It's going to get towed, and then we'll do an inventory of the things that are in there.
Okay.
And then, is there a way you want this turned off so you have battery?
That's a good question. Yeah, it'd be good to turn it off.
All right, 'cause
It's the top right button, and then I think the second button down on the left. And oh, there you go. Yes.
Perfect.
Okay. All right.
Step on out for me. Step up on the curb, watch the curb. After you.